Okay, my friend, welcome back to another Arcis AI video. In today's video, we're going to be going over the brand new Arcis macro desk where we can now automate our whole fundamental analysis and actually auto trade, macro trade systems, same kind of systems that hedge funds, macro desks, and big institutions trade, especially in the FX markets, because macro is one of the main drivers short term, mid term, and long term in the FX market. So in this video, we'll go over the new desk, show you the trading systems, go over each tab, and show you how to actually turn on auto trade and autopilot to trade like the pros do, trade alongside them, trade the same strategies and systems that they use. So before we actually get into the video, if you are new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button now and the wee bell so you're kept up to date with the new updates on the Arcis AI platform. There's a lot more coming, a lot more systems coming. The whole platform is not just about charts. It is the future. It is AI trading. It is automation, automated systematic trading. It's what I've been trading for years. If you follow my videos, I'm big on systematic trading, just having a system, follow the numbers and just rinse and repeat. And the whole platform is based on that. So let's look at the snapshot we have in front of us here. So it's just telling you the current market regime, which is risk off, okay, which means the US dollar is strong. Aussie dollar currencies, commodity currencies like Australian dollar, Kiwi dollar will be weakening. Gives us a score and just a score gauge there. Gives us today's edge, so it tells us the best performing trade idea. And if you look at the markets, USD, JPY has hit 40-year highs today. Also gives us a confidence score on this. I would be very careful of this just because of intervention risk. So, and the actual explanation here tells us that that's why the confidence score is only 50. So down here we have just the risk regime. USD is strongest, Australian dollar is weakest, then market driver is rate differential, COT data is JPY squeeze, and the next news, then just the market pulse. It's just giving us the price feeds across the main assets, dollar index, crude oil, gold, USD 10-year yields, SPX, and Bitcoin. Down here is the currency strength. You can see Aussie is the weakest. Then the Kiwi, so that kind of follows. Commodity currencies in a risk-off environment are normally weaker. Currencies like the US dollar, JPY, tend to get bought in risk-off markets. This is just the macro drivers, and then this is the live trading setups. And then we have the generate macro trades that will take all the information from the macro desks, tabs, and generate ideas. And it just gives us just a breakdown of what's going on in the market. Macro trade ideas, this is the trading systems of the dashboard. We have 10 systems. Carry divergence, so that is the carry trades. So we're looking for low yielding assets and high yielding assets and look to trade them against each other for a positive carry. If you open these ones up, it tells you the trade to look at. So this is telling us to short the Euro Aussie. Also gives us a confidence score of 33 for automation. So you can actually select confidence scores. I recommend above 50 for that, and set your risk settings for the trades. If you want to turn on this system, we can trade in risk percentage, fixed lot, or basket. So a basket is spreading the risk around, same as I do in my Arcis daily and weekly, just spreading the risk over a certain number of trades. It's called basket risking, and you can route to live or demo. We have central bank divergence. We have COT extreme reversal. And when you select autopilot, as soon as a trade idea appears, it will be sent to either your demo or your live trading account on the platform. We have COT trend continuation, macro momentum, risk on, risk off rotation, macro pullback and stack, macro mean reversion, and commodity FX. This is for gold, silver, oil, so commodity assets. This section here, which is the rates and central banks, so it's just telling us which are hawkish, which are bearish or dovish. And the widest carry spread is between the Aussie and the Swiss franc, okay, 4.35%. So that would mean if you bought the Aussie and held it against the Swiss franc, your positive swap would be around 4.35% or slightly less. This is just telling us the policy rate matrix. We have the yield spreads and then just the policy outlook here. Next is just all the growth and inflation data, jobs reports, CPI, core, PMI, and gauges that against everything. Tells us the stagflation, overheating, Goldilocks, and then slowdown. USD stronger. Just going through all this data, it's saying the USD is stronger, and that is what's happening in the markets at the minute. This is the sentiment gauges from the COT reporting, retail positioning, retail net by currency, risk markets and commodities. Just let that load. We have the calendar. This is just the news calendar. There we go, volatility and correlations. When you select on an asset here, it's just telling you the volatility over the last 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, and 1 year. From the global indices, commodities, and then the currency pairs. When you click on an asset, it's telling you what each asset trades against and what it hedges against with inside the FX markets. Calendar, and then we have the pair score. So this is giving us trade ideas of all the macro data from all the desks, and this is telling us the short Euro USD, buy USD Swiss franc, and long USD CAD. And these change as the macro data changes, but these are the best currency pairs that it is saying to trade at the minute. And the direction gives you a confidence score here. Preferably you want something over 50. Again, all this will be automated inside the macro trade idea system. So that is the Arcis macro desk, fully automated macro trading. So these are long-term trade ideas, anywhere from 1 week to 1 month or 3-4 months, especially trades like carry trade divergence. And you can paper trade it, you can watch it, auto trade the demo, request live, or AI live soon, which will be on. So AI live will be, this is where you'll be able to see it inside the actual charts. For now, you can trade on a demo. Live account, we have a broker connect coming very soon. We're going to integrate with certain brokers inside the platform. So the stacked entries, this is especially systems like carry trade divergence. So if you're on a positive carry trade, you wait for pullbacks and you re-enter and you stack your positions and just let the carry trade run out as long as possible. As long as the fundamentals are right, the system will stack into positions. You can trade the different number there. This just gives you a breakdown of the strategy, how it exits the system, and that's how you auto trade there. So that is the Arcis macro desk. You can try it for 7 days free via the link below. If you have any questions, let me know, and I shall see you in another video very, very soon. Will over at Arcis AI.